Hey y'all, Johnny Mullet here. Another update on the bus build. This will be episode 6, framing and battery power distribution box. If you remember the last video, I was walking around with a wife beater. It was nice and sunny and warm. I told you it was all going to change. This is what you get for living up here in Northeast Ohio. The snow has come, winter is here. So anyway, let's go inside the bus and see what we got going on. So here's the framing. I got started on it. This is the power distribution box. The batteries are going to go down here with the bucket is. The batteries are going to be strapped down. They're going to be in a box, so there's no leaks or anything like that. This face here will have a nice face with my switch panel and a few meters and so forth. Got the framing done. In order to do the framing, I had to drill into the steel, because you don't want to screw these 2x4s into the tin because it's not strong. You got to make it strong. So after doing that, I also secured this box really good so it don't move around. It's not going to come loose or break loose. I actually ran out of 2x4s, so I got to get some more wood. I'm going to frame all the way up in between the windows and stuff too, so it's going to be pretty sweet. Going to insulate between the 2x4s and down below. Make sure, speaking of insulation, I started pulling these ceiling panels down. I actually put 2 of them back up, and I'm getting ready to finish this one. See the insulation in there? This bus is already pretty well insulated, and I don't see a reason I need to rip all this down to put insulation back up when it already has it. You know, it's not like I'm going to be, camping out in the tundra and freezing my balls off when I'm going to be vacation, or, if I'm going to go on vacation or retire or whatever. I'm going to follow the sun. I'm going to be where it's warm, not where it's crappy. So another thing is, people say, well, you got water leaks, man. If you got water leaks, you got to pull all that down and seal up any water leaks. Well, I've been on this bus in a heavy rainstorm. There is no signs of water anywhere. So I don't think it's, a good idea to rip all this down and then put it back up. I think what we have is sufficient for the build. So I'm going to leave the ceiling. It's going to be alright. I'm also going to seal the entire roof with that Henry's Tropical. It not only keeps the temperature down, but it's like a rubber coating. So if there are any water leaks that I don't know about, they'll be taken care of. Alright, let me get you guys set up here. It's story time again. So I got a goodie box in, so I wanted to share some of the goodies I got with you. If you guys remember, the dome lights were hanging. There's the little covers. I got new dome lights, and I wanted LED dome lights. So I ordered this kit off of Amazon. Holy crap, look at the size of them bitches. So that's cool, there's no problem here. What I like about these is they have a switch where you can have them off. You can turn it up here and only have one side, or both sides light up. So that's pretty slick. You put these up, and like I say, you leave 1 or 2 on, and then you can hit the power distribution box and shut them off. And when you come back up on the bus, you hit the switch and you can turn them on as you need. So that's pretty cool. Also got an RV porch light. I plan on having an awning and everything out there, so you got to have a porch light. I got this awesome switch panel. So this is an 8-gang switch panel, and you come up on the bus, you turn on your cabin light, your dome light, your porch light, the 12-volt outlets, your 12-volt water pump. So it's going to make life easier. It also comes with these cool stickers. So you can take those little squares out and put them right there on the LED, so you know exactly what you're turning on and off. So I really like that. I also got a fuse box. So you got to have your circuits all protected. I've got a bus bar. The bus bar is basically, you hook your battery to here, and each one of your accessories you hook up here. So this way you don't have a messy wiring system where you got all these wires hooked into the battery. It makes for a nice clean install. And I also got some more outlets. I think on last video or the one before I showed you my 12 volt outlets, and they were basically cigarette lighter plugs. Well, this is a double with a USB, and I also got a triple here. It has 12 volt USB and a little meter, so when you come up on the bus, you hit your 12 volt outlet switch, this should light up, and then you know you're juiced up and ready to go. So, wanted to talk to you one thing about tools. Alright, all these 2x4s, I had to screw them into the metal, and I had to drill. You had to pre-drill the holes. Well, I got this, you know, Ryobi kit, and it comes with drill bits. Look at them, broke. I broke 4 of them bits. They're garbage. So, I went to work, I grabbed my snap-on drill bit set. I used 1 bit for this whole job, and it's still going strong. So, that's the importance of good tools. Well, anyway, that's the update for this week. Hopefully next week I'll have a lot more done, but, you know, I work full time, I come home, I really don't want to come out here at night. I wait till the weekend, I get a little done here and there, so it's the way it is. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. See you next time.